Good morning. Welcome to Grand Rizal Hotel. How may I assist you? I'd like to check out please. Certainly, ma'am. Can I have your paper, please? Thank you. You stay at room 305 and I'm not in Cebu. Is that correct, ma'am? Yes, it's correct. Please allow me a moment. Let me just call our housekeeper first. They can check your room. You can wait at our lobby area, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, this is Joanna from front office. Can you check room 305 for check-out, please? Okay, thank you. Yes, hello, good day. Okay, may I repeat? The guest at room 305 consumed 3 Coca-Cola soft drinks and 2 Hershey's chocolate. Okay, thank you. Ma'am, excuse me. According to our room attendant, you consumed 3 Coca-Cola soft drinks and 2 Hershey's chocolate. So that will cost 500 pesos. Would you like to pay credit card or cash? I would like to pay through credit card. Okay, this is it. Okay, ma'am, here's your debt folio where all your transactions are listed. Just sign here. Alright, ma'am, everything is settled. Can you present this slip before you leave our hotel? Thank you so much for checking with us, ma'am, at Grand Rizal Hotel, and we hope to see you again next time. Have a safe travel. Thank you.